Dear Mr. Trump, I am speaking to you from the heart because that's how I communicate, and I really hope you'll listen. Today was a big day in Greenland. Our people came together today, marching peacefully to say, enough. Enough of your talk of taking over our land. Enough of the way you speak about Greenland as if it is something to be claimed, bought, or controlled. My family, my siblings, their children, my cousins, their children, along with the rest of the people of Greenland, just want to live in peace without the shadow of your threats, because that is what it is, a threat. It may not feel like one to you, sitting where you are, powerful and untouchable. But to us, the people who have called this land our home for thousands of years, who have survived in the Arctic through wisdom, resilience, and deep respect for the land, your words are not just words. They are a reminder of a long history of outsiders trying to take what is not theirs. Greenland is not a piece of property. It is our home. It is our past, our present, and our future, and we will protect it. I hope this makes it absolutely clear. We do not want to be Americans. We are Greenlandic. We have our own identity, our own culture, and our own way of life, and we will not allow that to be erased or taken from us. So hear us when we say enough. Respectfully, Tubannak.